we're going to be going out to an area where there's a ton of squirrels and see how many we can take out because nobody in the area likes these squirrels. It's a little far.
Where is it going?
I don't know. I'll see. It's close. There's another one up there. I'm gonna try to let you shoot at it. I think he's coming now.
Oh yep. Yeah, he's right there in the hole, bottom tree. He should be there now.
Here.
Nice. That's a chooker, dude.
There's still another one up there. See if we can get on him. Yeah, there's one more up there.
Yeah, he's done. Whee! Oh my! That was such a long fall. And that's too. He's dripping.
Wouldn't set that one on the driveway. He's pretty bloody. Right here.
Oh, right here. You can get him.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one right here too.
They out here in the front yard, they ever for me. But it didn't make a deal.
Yeah, I don't think it does.
He passed away. Did you hit that one? Well, they all in that tree right there.
So yeah, that's where the GoPro footage ends, mostly because I ran out of batteries. But I chased one more around the woods of that area, put a lot of shots at or in him. He didn't die. And then found another one, killed it. So 3 total. Hey, it's pretty good, but probably should have had more for what we saw. I don't know what the gun was doing that day. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you want more squirrel hunting content. And see you on the next time.